Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I'm going to teach you how you can kick yourself in the face. I'm serious, some people can do it, but they have to be very tall, or in some cases, very fat. I knew this guy named Tim who could kick himself in the face, and one time when he was trying to kick himself in the face, he kind of caught my foot behind his foot, and it sent my foot up for the ride, and I ended up on my back. Totally didn't mean to. Tim, if you're out there, I love you, man. I forgive you for banging my girlfriend, but it's okay because they got together. They got together, and then he banged somebody else that he really liked, and it broke her heart. So it's all good, Tim. I forgive you if you're out there. Anyways, let's get into this mess. FM cordless radio, used to monitor a room or as a one-way intercom, or use it to spy on your wife from work if you live really close to it, because you don't trust that woman. That mailman, he's so sexy. What am I talking about? I don't actually have a mailman. I live in small town. I am villager. We don't have all that money like you folks in the GTA. Nope, we can't handle that kind of technology. We have to go uptown to get our mail. Life would be so hard if you had to too, wouldn't it? Anyways, whoa, this doesn't look too old. I was expecting something pretty messed up, honestly. That ain't bad. Let's see if it passes the smell test. Oh, why do I put old things so close to my face when I smell them? It smells like old technology. Old technology does not smell good. You know, some plastics, like on G.I. Joe, if you pull one of those out of the case, it'll still have the original smell. Or like magic cards. You pull them out, they'll still have the original smell. But, it's like technology ages like old man farts. Seriously, I don't think anyone actually really uses this. Let's give it a closer look. I'm not seeing any wear on it. I can smell it from here, though. Realistic, this is probably sold at a RadioShack. But seriously, never used. My goodness, sir. Oh, wait. We got... Ooh, that's an industrial size. This is industrial size Energizer. Let's see if we got 2016. Huh, someone actually used this? Huh. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, now I'm going to use it to spy on my wife. Results may vary. Actually, seriously, I don't need to, because my wife is so fat, no one would ever want that thing. I'm just kidding. She's totally hot. She's totally hot. Seriously, if you're listening, my wife is totally hot. Just in case she's listening, so I don't know, I'm gonna mess around with this thing. Maybe I'll mess with my kids' dreams or something. Trademark of oh my god, Tandy Corporation. Sweet. Rock on. Okay, let's alright, so I decided to put the other end in the bathroom so I could hear my wife in the shower. She knows I'm into that kinky stuff. So, anyways, of course you got channel A and B. With channel A, you can hear your wife telling your daughter stories in the bathroom.
Good street. You may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town.
Yes, that's right. My wife telling my daughter a bedtime story in the bathroom.
Out there, things can happen, and frequently do.
I should probably put that on mute before this gets demonetized. Anyways, that's what happens if you have it on channel A. If you have it on the wrong channel, you can hear voices from the other side. That's actually them in another universe. So this is, if I go to universe A, wait, universe A was the original universe, and universe B is the secondary universe. That's how it goes. So that is the realistic FM cordless monitor. Yep, and now I can spy on my wife when she's in the bathroom. That's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. Remember, the end of the day, my game is try to keep a stay-at-home mom so that she can tell my daughter stories in the bathroom. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other. Oh my goodness, Brandon, can you believe it? I almost forgot to take it apart. Nope, I was about to put it back in the box, and I realized not only do I not need this, but I need more space, and I like to take things apart. Also, the resale value of this is about $13, so don't get heartbroken, not collectible, whatever. Oh my goodness, this thing isn't working. I'll have to do it in hard mode. Maybe y'all ain't like the Sony fanboys. I start taking Sony things apart, and they're like, oh no, my bottom, it hurts so much. The thing that you're taking apart represents me as a human being, and so on and so forth. It's the worst. I swear to God, they're insufferable. That's why I like to take things apart just to mess with them. Anywho, let's talk about why I hate cats. Cats are the worst things ever. I had this one cat that puked on everything. And everything, man, everything. Anyways, one time I sent a bunch of stuff over to a buddy's place to sell at a yard sale. And he gets into it and there's cat puke in it. How the hell did that ninja cat puke get there? That's embarrassing stuff. So wasn't too happy with that cat. Anyways, I what can I say? Really though, I love cats. I love petting them. I just don't like when they puke all over all of my things and ruin my marriages and whatnot. Seriously though, most of the fights my wife and I ever had were about cats, mostly puking on things. That is horrible. I used to tell all my friends how much I hated cats and how much they ruined my life, and how hard my life was. You know, so hard, just so hard. No one has ever suffered as much as I have suffered, etc., so on and so forth. So, yeah, you should respect me for my disability or something like that. Anyways, one time I was telling my group about how much I hated cats. I don't really hate cats; I just hate cats to puke on. Anyways, and I was like, I would punch a cat. I wouldn't really punch a cat. Like, who would actually punch a cat, right? What kind of human being would punch a cat? And my buddy pipes up and he's like, I punched a cat. And I was like, what? Okay, you got to tell me that's the story. And he says, so this cat was trying to get my breakfast bacon and I just punched it right in the face and it went right down. I was like, holy crud. Are you serious, buddy? He's like, yep, I knocked the sucker out for a bit too. It's like, wow. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, this looks like some snot right there. I'll tell you what, Bobby. At first I was like, haha, I was like, wait, you are a messed up individual. Well, in the guy's defense, he must have been a little bit retarded. He tried to overdose on Benadryl because somebody told him that it would give him a mushroom-like high. It definitely didn't. He slept for 3 days. Oh, what a trooper that guy is. What a trooper. I guess I better get the other part of this. Be right back. Alright, so I just checked the year on this sucker, and it comes from just about the same time that I had my first major head trauma. It was a long time ago. I was in grade 2, and it was a beautiful spring day, so we were inside the gym. We were playing a game called What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? And if you're not aware of that game, basically what that is you have one person on one side saying, geez, I don't even remember how it goes. Anyways, at the very end, they were supposed to walk towards the teacher. So you walk towards the teacher, and eventually she turned around and said, it's supper time! And, yeah, that day, it was, of course, the teacher out there saying it's supper time. So then the thing was, she was supposed to run to you, and you had to make it to, you had to make it to home safe, home free. You had to make it there to be okay. And I was such a little kid, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna run, there's no way she's gonna get me. And I ran as fast as I could directly into the wall. The cement wall. The next thing I knew, I was looking up from the floor, and my teacher and classmates were all looking down at me, asking if I was okay. Yep, I was fine. I got up, but I couldn't focus on anything. I looked, but I couldn't focus. So I remember we watched 101 Dalmatians in class, reel to reel, one of those 8mm things. And I remember looking, I could focus for a second, but then it all blurred away. She all blurred. Oh wait, jeez, that's interesting. That isn't actually a screw. I thought it was a screw, but it's like what does it do? It's like a tuner or something. Really, if anyone out there knows what this is, please tell me, because I do not. There's no external device that would control it. Might have a bit too much head damage. I'll get in real close there. Did I break it? Was it like that and then I broke it maybe? Huh. I must have broke it. Yeah, it looks like it was supposed to be that way, but... Huh. Intriguing. Interesting. Very interesting, but stupid. Just like my head trauma. I wonder if that's flux. I guess the end user was never meant to see that, right? But anyways, that's all I got today, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff, always appreciate it. And have a good one. Take care of each other and don't be scamming each other. Looking at you, Trayvon.